Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam, and this is my jam. I have some unboxings to do for you today. Couple of fun things, couple of just stuff that's my jam. You'll see there's something from Hermes, Coach, obviously Kohl's, Portland leather goods, miscellaneous. So let's see. How should I do this? I am just gonna set this over here for right now. First thing I'm going to show you is I just got this from Belk. They were having specials and they had a ring that I thought was cute, so I got it. It matches what I have on today, actually. And I don't even remember what size I got. Oops, as I dropped the paperwork. Yeah, I got a big one. So just show you how it looks on here. It's blue and like cubic zirconia, but I got it in as like a size 10, so I can just wear it like on my pointer finger if I want to. And I just thought it was fun and cute, and so I got it. So that's that. All right, then let's see. Let's go with Portland leather goods next. Just got one thing with this. They let me know that I had some points, and so I'm like, oh, I'm going to use them. And I saw this, and I'm like, oh, this is cool. So it's not a small leather good either. It is leather though, but it's a bag charm. It's so pretty. Look at this green. So I don't normally like butterflies a whole lot, but as long as it's not real, I like it. And so I just thought it was really, really pretty. And green is my favorite color, so I just thought that was really neat. It's one of those ones that'll just, you know, slip around like that. And, yeah, I used my points to get it, so.
So are you afraid of real butterflies?
No, so I got that. All right, let's see. I'm going to save the two big ones for last, the Coach and the Hermes. So, all right, I'm just going to show you what I got from Kohl's. I just thought you guys might find some of this interesting, because I did. This would be like my shoppy show and tell, like Rachel says from Bag Babes Coterie. Okay, I recently found that I loved a new brand of perfume. And I know Winnie's talked about it before too, and I have too, and it's the company Fleur. And I bought the cherry stem. No, I didn't. You bought me cherry stem. And I love it. It is so good. Kind of a dupe for like a Tom Ford Lost Cherry, but really good. Better, I would say, than that. And the scent lasts longer. And then, so I got this body and hair spray called Miss Smith. It probably would have been good if I had told you what the scents were attributed to it. I didn't. But you can look them up. Fleur. You can actually, they have a membership. You can pay them like $50. And then your shipping's free for a year. You get like a $50 thing of perfume. You get some other free gifts. And I may look into it in the future because I really like the Fleur smells. So let's see. Then the other one.
So Mrs. Smith, does that smell like an old teacher?
No. Here we go. So I got Not Your Baby from Fleur.
Thank goodness.
And this says, let's see. The top is cardamom and bergamot. The heart is...
Voldemort?
No.
Voldemort?
Mimosa. No, mimoso. And you read it. Violet.
Mimosa violet. Base is vanilla milk, sandalwood, and tonka beans.
Yeah.
Wonder if you water them, do they grow into tonka trucks?
Maybe. But I always like stuff with that tonka in it, and I always like stuff with violet. So I have not smelled these before. But I bought the $100 bottle because it was the Sephora days where you get your percentage off. So I got my percentage off. So this was cheaper than I could buy it anywhere. Oh, this is super good. I don't want to spray it on me because I already have some. Oh, no, I don't. Oh, yeah.
Tonka, does that smell like yellow metal?
No. gosh, that's good. That is really, really good. Here, can you smell me?
I can. I don't think they can.
Yeah, can you? You were the one I was asking about.
Yeah, it smells good.
Yeah. So that was one good success. Unfortunately, the apple doesn't say the notes. The apple. The Miss Smith. It reminds. Okay.
Mrs.
Mrs. Smith. It reminds me of a Granny Smith apple. That's why I keep saying apple. It's not apple scented. At least not as far as I know. Then I got. Oh, I just got some eye creams because the Sephora stuff was 30% off. So I don't do much on my face. So I did get a Lift and Firm like eye cream thing, and then a Lift and Firm face cream thing. And then lastly, there's some coupons in here too, but who cares? I got another Fleur perfume, so this will make my third. This is Strawberry Letter. And as you can guess, well, we'll have him read the notes to you.
The Cliff Notes? Mm-hmm. Top is Cassis, cassis leaves.
Yeah.
Strawberry, wow. Garagette, plum nectar. The heart is lily, red poppies, apple blossom. And the base is earthy woods, not to be confused with tiger woods. Oh, tonka beans again, and sugared amber.
I normally like tonka beans smelled stuff, so, or scented, smelled. You know, words are hard. So, I'll just show you the bottle because I think their bottles are cute. And I want to smell it. Oh, this looks just like the cherry stem. Okay, this one doesn't say the... Oh, yeah, it does. Like, it's in black. Oh, that's really interesting.
Interesting good?
Yeah.
What are you spraying?
Oh, yeah. Oh, that is really interesting. I kind of got the berry up front, and then it kind of changes, which it should. Okay, I like that too. Now I have, oh, it smells really good on me. That's cool. So yeah, I did good. I buy stuff without smelling it first a lot of times. It doesn't always work out, but that time it sure did. All right, next, my item from Coach. And this is something that if you've been watching, you know that I had wanted something in this pattern, colorway, whatever you want to call it. I don't know that I call it a colorway, though. You'll see what I mean. But I didn't get the item that I wanted because I really wanted, let me guess, or you take a guess. Maybe, I don't know, the Rowan. But, man, that smells good. It smells very berryish. I really like that.
It's like a strawberry shortcake.
Kind of, yeah. But I couldn't get the Rowan in it. And then the other thing I saw in it, it was just too big for anything I'd want to use it for. Because they had like the pochette things. But they were, it was a smaller one attached to a bigger one. And I'm like, I'm never going to use that either. But then this showed up on the website one day. And so I grabbed it. And I just got this wallet. And it's got the wildflowers on it. And I really, really liked that pattern. But I wanted, like I said, I wanted it in the Rowan. I maybe could have gotten it in the mini Rowan, but I didn't want the mini Rowan. So when this wallet showed up, I'm like, oh, that's perfect. So there's the front. And then the back. And then it's just a pop open here. Taking the junk out. That's what I call, it's a technical name for it, the junk. I'm glad you didn't just say any more about that. Okay, and so it has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 card holders there. 1 back there. 4 here. I like that it has the picture once you can put your license in there. Although they always make you take it out anyways. Not like I know that from personal experience. But, and then cash goes in here. It's got a lot of room for cash in case you got some big bills there. You're set. And then it's got the zip around coin purse. And I really like that too. Because, I like how it goes. It opens up all the way to the side. So, yeah. It's a little bigger size wallet than I normally use, but it's not too big. So, I really like it. I'm really glad to have something from this drop because I think that's neat. I think that that's so pretty. So that was that. And lastly,
Is that what I had to sign for?
this is what you had to sign for. Yeah, because this is from Hermes.
Luckily, I was home.
It was. Oh, I keep smelling. I smell the berry. Oh, and that's soft. Wow, they're both good. So I always look at the Hermes site. I will tell you that right now. I look at it pretty frequently. And I look at it frequently because, you know, I got a personalized Bastia coin purse. And because I wanted something personalized, and I didn't know if they were going to keep on personalizing things. So when the color pink came up, I liked that color well enough to get it. But that wouldn't have been my first choice. My first choice is, I really like their blue, but I have my Kelvy card holder in that. I really would like those something in that really bright, like fuchsia pink, or even more than that, the mint, or the Verts something, the same color. I know Dale from Dale's Addiction has one. I think it is a Birkin in the color I want. But, oh, duh, it's this color. This is the color I want a Kelvy in, and I like it personalized. But, so I checked periodically. By that I mean probably once a week, and they don't ever have, they haven't had it yet, but I still look nonetheless. And then when I get done looking at that, I look at a couple other things. Now normally you can open this up, and I'm not going to go through the trouble. And if you open it correctly, you can see. Oh, okay. Maybe now I can. This doesn't. I see, it doesn't look like I can open it. So, okay, we're just going to do this. So if you open it correctly, it ends up looking like this. So you're probably wondering, okay, like, what did she get? What is this?
Is that matchbooks?
Oh, no, it's makeup. Looks like Rouge from Hermes. But,
Mulan.
so I always look at the whole site then, just to see if anything shows up. So it says Merci. Just to see if anything shows up in a colorway that I like. And something did. Two things did. I only bought one of the two. One was a ring. But I decided I'd get more wear out of this. Good. I got this bracelet. And because I love this bracelet. So when they had this in the orange, I'm like, oh, I'm totally getting it. So it comes in its own little dust bag, nice and protected. Now the struggle is going to be if I can actually get this on by myself. It's got the palladium hardware, and this is going to be so hard to get out of here that I know I should never have a problem getting off my wrist. So let's see if I can get it.
And the timer starts now.
On my wrist. Okay, so far it's going on pretty easy. That seems like something's wrong. Okay, there we go. Oh, see, that's why I thought something was wrong. It was going on too easy. For your uncoordinated friend. What's our time? Okay, you put it through there.
All right, we're at 1 day.
No, okay,
4
I
hours.
see. So that has to go in there.
26 minutes.
There we go.
37 seconds.
There we go. So I got this little bracelet, and I wanted this one because the clasp was different than this one. This one hooks on everything. So I was hoping that this wouldn't hook on so much. So
Time will tell.
that's what I got. I got my little pretty bracelet. Although I might put it on the other side, since, I mean, they go cool together, but not quite the color combination I'd like. But that's what I got. That's my haul for you today. So just a lot of really fun stuff. I keep smelling my
Squirrel.
perfume.
We're making a video here.
It's so good.
Squirrel.
It's like berry and soft. Okay. So yeah, that's what I have to show for you today. I have a really cool collab coming up on Saturday. I have a collab with Dawn from Dawn Loves Couture. An unboxing of a bag. I love it. When don't I love my bags? And a lot of other fun stuff to come. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. Trying to hit 4,000 subscribers. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays in regards to luxury and contemporary handbags, small leather goods, other miscellaneous stuff occasionally. Um, on Mondays, I do bag swap videos where I swap from the current bag I'm using. I go into another bag and then I tell you a little bit about each bag. I also switch out all my small leather goods and tell you a little bit about those. Occasionally, you will see a video pop up on a Thursday for me. That'll be a book-related video where I do a large book haul and then tell you what I've been reading, what I want to read, things like that. Looking over in my corner, I have a lot of books to haul right now, so one of those should be cut. If it's not this Thursday, next Thursday, one of those should show up. You can find me over on Instagram if you haven't already. It's just James Jam is there as well. It's JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.